Triggered by greed of power, of money, we've allowed ourselves to believe that we stand here with no responsibility for humanity's collective future. As long as we get our point across, it doesn't matter if it costs someone else's child. To drive home a point, we keep trying to hit the nail on the head. But how many people need to take a hit instead? How many more heads must roll for change to spark outrage for what must be outlawed to not outnumber our children, our future? Like ashes in our mouth, we talk about freedom of speech. But what about those who had to bite down on their screams? Whose opinions were buried before they even had a chance to discover themselves? Gone too early, they say, because we didn't have the courage to stand up, to wake up, to rise up above personal gain. For our great-grandchildren should feel proud that we left them a world better than the one that we found.